Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Maserati Levante? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a digital display, touchpad-controlled infotainment, and ambient lighting, combining tech and comfort. It also includes advanced safety systems for enhanced driving support. The cluster displays key driving info like speed, RPM, and warnings, using digital or analog gauges behind the steering wheel. The LCD displays key driving information, navigation, and media with clear, high-resolution visuals. The climate control offers dual-zone automatic settings with fast heating and cooling, plus air quality and humidity management. A V8 engine delivers strong power, smooth acceleration, and a deep exhaust sound. The steering wheel has built-in controls for easy, safe access to key functions. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators. Airbag warning light. Transmission failure warning. Electric power steering failure. Brake warning light. Door ajar indicator. Charging system warning. Catalyst over temperature. Engine coolant temperature. Low oil pressure warning. Engine oil temperature warning. Trunk lid and hood jar. Seatbelt reminder indicator. Electronic throttle control. Brake disc temperature warning. Drowsy driver detection. Keyless start system failure. Electric parking brake failure. Anti-lock braking system. Active lane management. Electronic stability control. Electronic stability control. Off malfunction indicator light. Forward collision warning off. Tire pressure monitoring light. Rear fog indicator. Electronic differential fault. Transmission overheating warning. Low fuel indicator light. Ice hazard indicator. Rain sensor failure. Park sensors failure warning. Twilight sensors failure. Immobilizer and anti-theft system. Fuel filler cap open warning. Exterior lights failure warning. Headlight aiming system. Advanced front lighting system. Automatic high beam failure. Suspension system failure. Depressed brake indicator light. AWD failure warning. Temporary AWD failure warning. Drowsy driver detection failure. Suspension lifter failure. Suspension lifter system. Forward collision warning. Speed limiter failure warning. Cruise control fault. Cruise control. Traffic sign assist off. Traffic sign assist fail. Auto vehicle hold fail. Start and stop failure. Warning start and stop active indicator. Active lane management off. Sport suspension. Passive speed limit set. Drive mode indicator. Gear shift indicator. Performance launch control running. Left direction indicator. Right direction indicator. ADAS status indicators. Traffic sign assist indicator. Ride height indicator. Blind spot assist. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.